Hey, so good to see you
Good
again.
to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
This looks amazing. It looks so different than what we had when you first started and when you first built this house. So much. I can't wait to see it.
Yep, awesome. Well, thank you.
Sure. I'm Teresa Kurtz, real estate agent with eXp Realty, and I'm here today with John Johnson of Creative Spaces Remodeling, and I cannot wait for him to break it down on how he takes you from beginning to end in a remodel process. You're gonna love what he does. So John, you have a lot of things in the pipeline right now, and I'm so excited about the series that you have coming up because you're gonna give us real world examples, aren't you?
I am. Yeah, so that's what's going to be really cool about this series is we're going to be able to do a deep dive on all the different phases, all the different steps in our 10-step process, right? Now, out of the 10-step process, you know, the first 8 are all about design. That's pre-construction. Because I have a belief, how we operate is if we take the right amount of time and we go slow through the design phase, when we cross our T's, dot our I's, and make sure we design everything the way we're supposed to do it, the production goes super smooth. It really does. So we've got a couple exciting projects that we're going to highlight in this series, putting second stories on top of houses, transforming one style with a mansard roof over to a completely different style. So we're taking the whole second level off, putting a whole new second level on, and a new roof structure, which will actually be more of a traditional craftsman style. Kind of a craftsman style that you see around in the Annapolis area on a regular basis, but we're going to transform that house completely.
That's going to be gorgeous.
Yeah,
I
so
can't wait to see it. So we'll see you next time on Remodel the Bay.